Services that use AI to generate music are already commonplace, as represented by SoundRaw. But the music generation AI called Riffusion is very interesting, and it's interesting to see people's imagination regarding the use of AI. Stable Diffusion, a deep machine learning model released this year, made a big splash by generating high-quality images from text. The advantage of this model is that it is open source, so you can implement this excellent AI in your own application. It has already been implemented in Lensa AI, etc., and the developers themselves are proposing new ways to enjoy AI. And two other researchers, Seth Forsgren and Hayk Martiros, have shown the great potential of Stable Diffusion. They use Stable Diffusion to generate spectrograms, graphic representations of sound intensity as a function of time and frequency. They created Riffusion, a tool that combines instruments to generate musical excerpts and produce interesting results. A spectrogram is a visual representation of the frequency content of a sound clip. The x-axis represents time and the y-axis represents frequency. The color of each pixel represents the audio amplitude of the frequency and time given in that row and column. The spectrogram can be computed from the speech using the short-time Fourier transform, STFT. STFT approximates speech as a combination of sine waves with different amplitudes and phases. Since the STFT is invertible, Forsgren and Martiros seem to have used the spectrogram produced by Stable Diffusion to create the speech. In this process, since the spectrogram originally contained only the amplitude of a sine wave, the Griffin-Lemp algorithm was used to approximate the phase and reconstruct the audio clip. In addition, the CU is used for the efficiency of audio processing, and the Torch audio library is used for that purpose. You can listen to the work of the two researchers on the Riffusion project website. It uses Stable Diffusion, a text-to-image model, so you can create your own music by describing the type of music you want to create. Detailed technical information on Riffusion is explained on the dedicated page. A link to the GitHub repository is published at the bottom of the page. If you're interested, you can download the code and use Riffusion on your own system.